boy, y'all heard it, man. Talk to me, baby. You want some tonight? You do? Okay, baby. I'm gonna take me one of the hypey tests, baby, okay? Yo, what's up with the guys, man? Today is a beautiful Monday. You know, thank God it's Monday. That's what I say. The weekends. You know what I'm talking about? We working 7 days a week over here. So are we on top? Yeah, I'm talking about. So here go Hell Rango, aka Rhino, with those Toyos first Durango Hellcat to have Toyos. Woo. You know what I'm talking about? And what they call Verinis. But I don't even know what I said. Verinis. Yeah, Verinis. You mean Verini rims. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I gotta see if my caps fit on those up. SRT caps.
Yeah.
We didn't even check. Anyway, today supposed to be the day. We're gonna see what Jay got to say. You know what I mean? Supposed to be done. He said, what, 10 days, a week, 10 days? No more than 10 days, man. Wrap, black and yellow, same as Murderer. You know, I'm thinking about getting tire stickers redone too. I'm gonna put Hellcat Red Eye on instead of the Murderer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, so I'm excited. We gonna go, I'm feeling good. Allergies don't feel bad today, but I gotta start off the day. I already took my hyphy bud and hyphy test and hyphy brain. So I'm just gonna pop a couple of these, man. Hey, man, you know, everybody got their addiction. Y'all right, bro. But my addiction make me richer. Your addiction make you richer? If it don't, you need to stop it, man. And guess what? My addiction, I make it. I'm the baker of my addiction. Y'all don't make you smoke. Oh yeah. I formulated this. Let's go wild. Let's go. We ain't did it no way. Go wild.
Go wild.
Go wild.
Go wild.
Let's go, baby. He got that demon done, man. Still gotta lay something down at the bottom. Oh, the speakers and shit. Big G ain't no joke, boy. Big G! What's up, baby? Ooh, you already full of dirt, huh? Full of wood. You probably need to start wearing you a mask doing all that shit.
I wear a mask for a different stuff.
Oh, okay. That's for the demon?
Huh?
That's for the demon?
That's for the demon Daniel part. I'm doing all 4 of them right now.
Oh, well, that, I just looked at that. That's dope. On that demon, that's sick. Big G don't around. Y'all jealous, y'all ain't got nobody in y'all state and country like Big G, huh? That's right. Well, you see, we got him locked in because you can't come kidnap him. What's up, baby?
What you doing?
Good, we just back there messing with G.
Oh, okay.
Well, oh yeah, those fake. About to blow up my phone with that fakeness. I got on mine. Wait, let me see if I do mine. Damn! It said cost too damn much. More than your grandmama, mama, and your daddy that's absent. Whole wardrobe. Hey, we about to go viral with this Durango, man, cause they doubting Jay, man.
Don't doubt me. I come through all the time. I'm like the IRS. I get you all the time.
Ooh, you be proving these people wrong too.
When you get the wheels from Sabini?
They on there.
Oh, let me see. Oh, let me go see.
YouTube, they like them, but Facebook hating.
Facebook hate him.
Yeah, Facebook hating.
Bertini. I thought Sabini.
Oh, they Bertini?
Yeah, Bertini. At least they give you good tires for sure.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Toyos. They give you a 285? Yeah, 295. Okay.
A little thicker.
Mm-hmm. Look good.
Yeah, you think we should drop it a little?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so. Just look right here. Look at the front. See, it's pushed out at the bottom already.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. So if we lower it, it'll push it back in and adjust the caster and camera too. But yeah, it looked good.
Yeah. Cause I want the brakes to show much as possible.
Right, that's why you wanted a 5-stroke.
So everybody hating on the guy, they say he didn't put them on right.
Why?
They say he didn't do a star motion or something.
Look, the way it is as long as the wheels and tires are mounted balanced, and then the wheels are torqued to 105, 110. If you didn't do it in a star motion, as long as you torqued it properly, you should be fine.
Nah,
True.
Shut up.
The star motion is the 100% of it all.
Oh, okay.
It is. But not necessarily do you have to do it. Okay. As long as the car is properly torqued, the wheels are torqued, you should be fine.
Woo, we getting into the hang of dub, boy. Y'all heard it, right? Yes, it's not genitals either. It's Genesis one, but this motherfucker talk about genitals one.
Well, he's probably holding his genitals.
Yeah, they on there hating because they can't buy nothing. You know what I mean?
You know,
Stop hating.
everybody has their own pocketbook, man. Not everybody has your pocketbook.
Man, they better work hard for it. Like I said, if they ain't got no felony on their record, you could be a police and a fireman at the same time, motherfucker. Stop being lazy. When you got foreigners coming over here like the boy at Gyromania at the ice cream spot, they got their own restaurants and stuff, came from another country. And you motherfucking Americans laying up lazy and hating. We out here living. It's summertime, man. Hell right, Jay about to have his clean, boy. Y'all gonna be really mad.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put it down.
We're
gonna put it down. I even said, I woke up this morning, it was like 5:30. I said like this, what time is Callie gonna be at the show?
I was gonna text you too.
You should have texted me.
We was thinking about each other at the same time.
5:30, I got up and my wife's looking at my wife, looking at me, looking at my email. She goes, and I was about to text you. She goes, who you texting this early? It's 5:40. I said, Callie. She goes, you better stop. I go,
I would have loved that text.
He's awake.
Yeah, I was too.
Got the right fitment, the right tire size, everything. I just don't like the bottom of the front where it kicks out. That's just because it just needs to be adjusted. When we lower it, we'll kick it back in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the yellow on the stripes on the wheels, add yellow to it.
I like the wheel style.
Yeah, because I was like, I want the brakes to show much as possible.
Right.
I think I would have got one step bigger for myself.
Oh, 24?
Nah.
Right.
22 is.
You can't ride it like that.
Right, exactly. I wanted to keep up before, but
yeah, once you lower
I learned from Jay. I don't even think about big rims like that no more.
No.
Especially with the performance.
Because you bought the car for performance.
Exactly.
If it was just a regular 6-cylinder, put the 24
right.
on it. Who cares?
Exactly. Yeah.
But this thing, man, it needs to run to 20 or 22.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be towing.
Yeah. Exactly. Man, I love the way it looks, bro.
Yeah.
They did a good choice on the wheels. I like it too.
Thank you.
Because I was just afraid it was gonna look boogly.
Yeah.
I was like, I would have told you, I love you, bro. Those gotta come off.
I know you would have.
Yesterday.
So we're getting ice cream at Rita's, right? And he's had a Trackhawk before, and he's like, your wine's not loud enough. So he had a JLT intake on the Trackhawk. He's just like, here, man, I'm gonna sell it to you. Give me a deal on it. So we're gonna put a loud wine on the Trackhawk, and it's gonna be sick. So I appreciate it, Owen. Thank you so much.
You're gonna sound like a red eye.
Hell yeah, that's what I need, man. Hell yeah. So we're gonna get this installed in the Trackhawk and be tearing people up on the streets.
The next day.
Bro, what are they doing with my Trackhawk back here, dude? What are y'all doing with the Trackhawk, bro?
Hey, what the f wrong with you, bro?
What are you doing back here,
Why you
dude?
scaring me like that? Don't be doing that, man. I'm doing that air intake you had, man.
Bro, do you know what you're doing?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. It's only like 4 screws. What you talking about? That little sensor right there?
Bro, you don't know what you're doing,
I know what
bro.
I'm doing, bro.
Yo, Ivan,
Ivan?
what's he doing, bro?
What's up? On over here. I'm doing it right?
It's a Trackhawk.
What that mean?
You gonna blow this motherfucker up, bruh?
Man, this is my first day anyway. You gonna do it, man.
All right.
Be tripping like I don't know what I'm talking about, man. Yeah, bro.
You know, actually, we'll put that stock one in Callie's. Yeah, go ahead and just put that one in his, man. His wine sucks. Your water?
Hey, this gonna go viral. Ivan about to be famous. Them bras about to be DMing you, Ivan. Bras? No, you say bras. You about to have the bras looking for you, man.
Damn.
So what's that you're putting on? Is that the sensor?
Yeah, this is just a little sensor for it, so it shows the check engine and all that stuff.
Spider, organic, just organic. So.
Yeah, I be watching them too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, if it wasn't for you guys, it inspired me to start my own channel, and I just do.
Started?
Yeah, I'm at like 61 episodes right now.
Oh yeah.
So yeah. I didn't think it was supposed to, the time to mention it yet. But yeah, I got a little channel going.
What's your channel, boy? Jay said he ordered my air intake. That's been about 2-3 months, bro. Hope it comes. Non-stop.
Honestly, you know what I like more, Callie, is the supercharger over the exhaust. Okay. Oh.
Let him finish off. You know what I mean?
Yeah. He's about done. Are you gonna do something?
Yeah, he was bored just walking around and had nothing to do. So I said, come help me out, homie. Come help me out, Ivan. Ivan the Great. That's a powerful name, Ivan. Ivan right there, man.
What you doing now?
Putting that sensor back right here.
Sensor back.
Alright, should be good. Let me just get a clip for this one. I'll be right back.
Where the ice cream truck? Well, yeah.
Yep.
I need that intake, man.
Stat.
I need that. Look at how that's orange. I need that intake, baby.
So you're, hold on, let me see. Oh, that's dope. I don't know if mine says that on that side. It definitely says it on that side.
Pervert! Pervert alert! Perv alert!
No check engine light, you should be good, bro.
All right.
Alright, appreciate that little help you gave me.
Oh yeah,
That's
no
it.
problem, bro. Got that new clip in there now. The original clip. I can give you that one right now if you need it. If you want to double check your work as well, make sure it's
I
all
don't need to
good.
double check it. As long as it don't whine, I'm happy.
Got
I don't want it whining louder than mine. Just don't let him know.
Can't win no more.
Don't let the white boy know. As long as it don't whine, I'm fine.
Alright.
You know what I mean? So it ain't gonna whine, right?
It might have a little whine to it.
Just a
Just a
little
little
is cool. As long as it don't outdo the Durango and the Charger, that's good. Baby, talk to me. Talk to me, baby. Huh? You want some tonight? You do? Oh, okay, baby. I'm gonna take me one of the hypey tests, baby, okay? You hear her talking to me? They don't know nothing about that wine, man. They don't know nothing about that wine. Only supercharged 720 horsepower got that wine like that. Oh God! I think I carried him on myself, man. I gotta go change my outfit, my expensive outfit. I gotta. How about you, man? What you say, baby? Okay, you want? How you want it for the back? Oh yes, you do. Oh God! God damn it, what you had to put it on this air intake like that, man? Oh, God. Oh! Don't be jealous. I want to hear it one more time. What they talk to God damn it. Trackhawk, I love you. I love you too, baby. We don't want to short circuit these bots and they little V6s and stuff. V4s. You know, we don't want to short circuit them, so we can just let them hear it quietly. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That's my jerk. I don't know where the hell we going.
He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it, aren't you?
Yeah, it's different feel.
Yeah, and that Durango, right?
Then the wine and the crazy.
Man.
Crazy. Trackhawk. Different feel, boy. And like you say, the steering feels a little stiffer or something.
Oh, I think it's looser than like the Durango.
Oh yeah?
It's a little, yeah, and I have it on track too, so it's a
Look at
little
them. They
tighter.
get all up on people. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at Kitty out here. Slow that piece of Range Rover down.
Yeah.
Thinking, yeah. Tuck your tail. Tuck your tail. Spit everywhere. Tuck your tail. Ooh, these cars, I must say they're demonic. Just up my alley.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.